Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility and collecting documents: age proof, domicile, education, and biometric-capable ID. Once done, scan clear passport photos and mark sheets to exact file sizes the portal requires. Make sure your mobile number and email work for OTPs and recovery. You will need them immediately. Start the online registration now. Don't delay, because form slots or upload errors can waste time. Having documents named and cropped to the portal limits prevents repeated re-uploads and saves you from deadlines. You will now enter the portal and complete the detailed form. Carefully type names, dates, and spellings exactly as in certificates. Inconsistencies cause rejections. Upload each file in the specified format and size, then use the preview option to inspect every page for cropping or clarity issues. When you reach payment, choose a reliable method and keep the payment reference plus a screenshot. Once paid, the portal will allow final submission. If the upload fails, compress or convert files before retrying to avoid timeouts. You finish by verifying the full application preview and hitting submit. This is final, so inspect everything once more, then download the acknowledgement containing your form number and timestamp. Save and print copies for records, and note the expected admit card release and exam dates shown. If you encounter an error after submission, act fast. Use the correction window if open, or contact the portal helpline with your payment receipt and screenshots. A clear, concise support ticket speeds resolution. Attach the acknowledgement to prove submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.